So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can invite friends in your Bitget wallet. So guys, if you're planning on inviting some of your friends to use the app, then this video is for you. All you need to do is just go ahead and open the app first. And once you're there, just click at the top left corner with the 4-circle button. Tap there and now you'll see options like My Wallet, Language, Currency, Theme, Reporting Cycles, Advanced Settings, and many more. You just need to go ahead and tap on Community right here. That is right above Openings. Once you're here, you'll see many recommended communities over here like Discord, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. You just need to select a certain social media outlet and you can share communities and ask your friends to join them. You can share the link. Like, let's try it with Facebook over here. Tap on Facebook. On open Facebook, now you'll see this Bitget Wallet account. Just go ahead and click on this 3-dot button. And now you'll see the option that says Invite Friends. Just go ahead and tap there and now select your friends. And in this way, you can successfully invite your friends to Bitget Wallet. So guys, that's how you invite your friends to Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.